The WaterBoss Pro line is the third and most advanced generation of WaterBoss water treatment systems. Always decades ahead of the competition in efficiency and quality of construction, this American-owned and manufactured product now offers soft water, sediment filtration, chlorine, and iron reduction in one compact unit. The WaterBoss Pro line includes the Pro 180 and the high-capacity ProPlus 380. Congratulations on choosing a superior WaterBoss Pro water treatment system. In this short video, we'll be covering the basics of the WaterBoss Pro line installation. Now, each installation is going to have its own unique set of circumstances, so it's important to read your owner's manual thoroughly before you begin installation. You may also contact the helpline via the telephone, fax, or through the WaterBoss Pro website. The factory-trained and certified WaterBoss helpline team is located on site at our corporate headquarters in Ohio. Once you've removed your WaterBoss from the carton, remove the valve cover. Your owner's manual is part of your installation packet, which can be found inside the brine cabinet. In your installation packet, you'll find your owner's manual, test strips, transformer, quest fittings, drain end fitting, gravity overflow connection, and your warranty card. The WaterBoss Pro line provides you with a 10-year limited warranty on the brine cabinet, valve cover, and media tank, and a 3-year limited warranty on parts, including the controller. The WaterBoss Pro line provides the best warranty available for the do-it-yourself domestic water treatment market. Be sure to fill out your warranty card completely and mail within 60 days of your purchase. You can also go to waterbosspro.com and register your WaterBoss Pro or ProPlus online. As we begin, keep in mind all installations won't be the same. Consult your owner's manual or contact the customer support line for answers specific to the installation of your WaterBoss Pro or ProPlus. For most installations, make sure the unit is placed after the pressure tank, any water filter devices, or the water meter. Place the unit before the water heater. If less than 10 feet of pipe connects the water heater and the WaterBoss, you need to install a check valve between the two units as close to the water heater as possible. Before installing your ProPlus, turn off your water supply and open the hot and cold water taps throughout your home to depressurize the household water lines. Included in your WaterBoss Pro installation packet are quest fittings, a convenient 3-piece assembly for 3/4 inch copper or 3/4 inch CTS CPVC plastic tubing, providing a quick connection to your source water plumbing. Make sure the 3 components, the collar, the metal retaining ring, and nylon sleeve, are in the proper sequence on the pipe. Attach the water lines to the unit. Be sure you're in compliance with all state and local plumbing codes. Do not over-tighten the connection. Hand tightening the collar is all that's required. It's important to not use plumber putty or Teflon tape. Double check the arrows on the factory installed valve to make sure the water is flowing in the proper direction. The source water entering here, the softened water entering your home from here. Connect the gravity overflow connection. Next, connect 1/2 inch ID tubing between the gravity overflow connection and a suitable floor drain, laundry tub, or other suitable receptor. Be sure that the overflow line is at least 3 inches lower than the bottom of the overflow fitting. The overflow line drains away excess water should the tank fill with too much water or the unit malfunctions. Next, connect the drain end fitting. To prevent leakage, wrap the fitting 3 times with 1/2-inch Teflon tape or use plumber's putty. Using the drain line supplied with the unit, connect the drain line to the drain end cap. Route the drain line to floor drain, laundry tub, or suitable waste receptor. Maintain a minimum 2-inch air gap between the drain line and the flood level rim of the waste receptor. The drain line carries away the backwash water as part of the regeneration cycle. The drain line must not be kinked, crimped, or restricted in any way. One feature of the WaterBoss Pro line is the factory-installed bypass valve. Place the unit in the bypass position by turning the knob until the arrow is lined up with the P in bypass. Turn on your main water supply and allow it to run for a few minutes. This will flush out any excess soldering flux, air, or any other foreign material. Check for any leaks. Turn off your water supply, close all faucets, and return the unit to service mode. Connect the transformer power cord to the back of the controller and plug the transformer into an appropriate outlet, ensuring the outlet selected is not operated by an on-off switch. Before setting the controller, you must first determine the hardness and pH of your water supply. For municipally supplied water, contact your water department. For well water, use the test strips found in your installation packet or have a sample of your untreated water tested by a water testing laboratory. Consult your owner's manual or contact the WaterBoss Pro customer support line for more information. The WaterBoss Pro line features a 2-button controller with an LCD display. The controller allows you to view the appliance's status, perform regenerations, or to change settings. The controller must be set up correctly for the unit to perform properly. Ensure that the bottom of the controller is firmly locked onto the 4 tabs on top of the drive-in cap assembly. Press and hold the P button for about 5 seconds until the number 25 displays and the HD indicator is blinking. Press the R button until the display matches your compensated hardness setting number. Press P to save the hardness setting number. To recheck the hardness setting number, press and hold the P button for about 5 seconds until the setting number displays. Press the P button again to return to normal. Your controller is now set. Add 2 gallons of water to the brine cabinet. The initial startup is the only time you'll need to add water to the brine cabinet. After the first regeneration, your WaterBoss Pro and ProPlus will automatically refill the correct amount of water into the brine cabinet. Do not add water at any other time. Make sure your unit is in the service position and your water supply is turned on. Now, initiate a manual regeneration by pressing the regenerate button for about 5 seconds. Press the R button to advance to the brine refill position. Let the tank fill with the proper amount of water. The controller will then step the valve to the home position. Now you're ready to fill the brine cabinet with regenerate. In this case, we're using sodium chloride, salt. Make sure to use clean white pellet or solar salt, or you can also use a salt substitute like potassium chloride. Always keep the salt level above the water level. If your WaterBoss Pro would happen to run out of salt, wait 2 hours after adding salt before initiating any regeneration. Open a cold water tap and allow to run for 20 minutes or until 72 gallons of water have passed through the unit. You can verify flow rate on the controller, which indicates water flow. You're now ready to experience the physical and economic benefits of soft water. Just remember to periodically check the salt level depending on the hardness of your source water. If you have any additional questions, visit our website at waterbosspro.com or contact our customer support personnel located at our manufacturing facility in Ohio. And thank you for choosing the WaterBoss Pro water treatment system.